let me know. Okay. Moksh, can you hear me? Moksh from DN Nagar. No? Moksh, are you there? Okay. Kritika, Vanir was not there, no issues. The other three we can discuss. Kritika, I am unmuting you. Can you hear me, Kritika? Kritika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay. Okay. Just give me the affirmative form of all the three verbs. Etra, awar, and ale. Okay.
affirmative of etra is Josvi, tu il ele, nusons, vuzet, elson. Our affirmative is ja, tu as, il a, el a, nous avons, vous avez, ils sont, elles ont.
Very good.
And affirmative of aller is ja, vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont.
Very good. So I will display the spellings. All of you can cross check. If there are any errors, you can do the correction. Let me know once you are done with the correction. I will change the slide. Moksh, no problem. I can see you have some network issue. You can put the answers in the chat box whenever I ask you. Okay. So finish your correction and let me know in the chat box when you are done. Make sure AUR में J apostrophe AI लिखा है आपने अच्छे से. Apostrophe नहीं भूलना है इधर. Done. Riya is done. Krisha is done. Others I'm waiting. ये तीनों verbs हमको याद रखने हैं because after this I will display questions and you will be solving them. Done. पढ़ के भी हो गया है, अच्छे से याद है ये तीनों verbs. Okay. So the affirmative form is right in front. The negative form we had discussed last time. We usually add na before the conjugation and pa after the conjugation. In case the vowels clash, we change na, ne, na to an apostrophe. And finally, the interrogative form. When you are making interrogative in the je form, you usually add esker. And for the remaining forms, what you do is you swap the subject and the verb. Okay. Subject pronoun and conjugated verb को उल्टा करने का, बीच में hyphen डालने का and last में question mark लगाने का. That is how you do the interrogative form. Now you have to remember avoir and ale में vowel clash होगा जब आप उल्टा करोगे il and l वाला form. So for example, il a in the avoir, look at the first column. Follow my cursor. This one. अगर मुझे इसका उल्टा करना है il a का, then I will write it as a hyphen il no. If I do that, vowels will clash. So what I am going to do is a hyphen t hyphen il or a hyphen t hyphen l. Atil, atel and question mark. आले में भी सेम करेंगे आप. वातिल, वातेल question mark. So this vowel clash इग्नोर करने के लिए, दिस वॉवल क्लैश को बचाने के लिए हम हाइफन टी हाइफन लगाएंगे. ओके, इग्नोर नहीं करना है. वी हैव टू सेव द वॉवल क्लैशेस एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी पुट द हाइफन टी हाइफन. आई होप आई एम क्लियर. एक बार नेगेटिव एंड इंट्रोगेटिव फॉर्म देखना है देन यू कैन हैव अ लुक. आवर का नेगेटिव, आवर का इंट्रोगेटिव. जस्ट हैव अ लुक एंड लेट मी नो व्हेन यू आर रेडी सो दैट आई कैन डिस्प्ले द क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे नेगेटिव में सारे फॉर्म्स में ओके ज, थ्यू, इल, एल सब जगह में वॉवल क्लैश हो रहा है, इसीलिए एन अपॉस्ट्रोफ है. अगर वॉवल क्लैश नहीं होता तो हमने एन ई लिखा होता. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू नीड टू रिमेम्बर. ऑल्सो चेक, अफर्मेटिव में जे अपॉस्ट्रोफ ए आई है, नेगेटिव में जे अपॉस्ट्रोफ जे ई हो गया क्योंकि अभी वॉवल क्लैश नहीं हो रहा है. तो जब वॉवल क्लैश नहीं होता है तो हम जे ई लिखेंगे. वॉवल क्लैश हो रहा है तो हम जी अपॉस्ट्रॉफ लिखेंगे. यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दीज स्मॉल थिंग्स. यहाँ पे check in the red color. This is the hyphen T hyphen I was talking about when the vowels clash. Are you ready for the test now? This is Etroka affirmative, negative and interrogative. You can have a look. यहाँ पे इलेल फॉर्म में वॉवल स्लैश नहीं हो रहा है, इसीलिए हाइफन टी हाइफन नहीं है. लुक एट द ज फॉर्म. एस्कर जस्वी लिखा हमने. एस्कर में एक ही हाइफन आएगा. SEST हाइफन CE एक ही हाइफन आएगा. EST हाइफन CE हाइफन QE नहीं, एक ही हाइफन है एस के बीच में. ये स्मॉल स्मॉल चीजें हमको याद रखनी है. देन वो में ई सर्कमफ्लेक्स TES एक्सेंट नहीं भूलना है. And finally, ale in all the three forms. Okay. So I'm going to display the questions now. Take a fresh page. Be ready with a pen. And here I'm displaying the questions. Two minutes. You can simply write down the conjugation. Just the blank. No need to write full sentence. Once you are ready, let me know in the chat box. Please do not write full sentence. I want just the answer. खाली conjugation लिखना है. Bracket में verb देखो, subject देखो and correctly conjugate करो. Also, remember for the exam, you are always going to write the answers in full sentence. Okay? Exam में हमको full sentence में answer लिखना है without fail. Waiting for your updates in the chat box. Very good. Anaida is done from Takshila. DN Nagar se Man is saying he's done. Others, let me know. Riya is done. Susan is done. Very good. Krisha is done. Okay, shall we discuss? Daniel is done. Soham is done. Kritika is done. Okay, let's start discussing then. The first one, what you can do is you can put the answers in the chat box. First one, Anne et Catherine dash au marché. You have to conjugate aller. Very good. I see Daniel has already answered from Takshila branch. Then Krisha has answered correctly. Man has answered correctly. Very, very good. So, as you have answered in the chat box, it is correct. VONT. Now, somebody had written VA. I don't want to point out the name. but I will just quickly correct you why it is VONT and why not VA. The question here is Anne and Catherine, है ना? Two girls, Anne and Catherine. So the subject pronoun here is else, ELLES. Else के साथ conjugation is VONT, right? And that is why it is VONT and not VA. Please do the correction properly. In case it is wrong, do the correction. Okay. No worries, it happens. Now look at the subject pronoun carefully and conjugate. Second wala, you can put the answer in the chat box. Put the subject pronoun also. It is very important to put the subject pronoun. Why? You will understand when you are writing the answer. Man has written correctly. Mahi, I want the subject pronoun too. Krisha, subject pronoun. Suzanne, subject pronoun भी mention करो. नम्रा सिर्फ subject pronoun नहीं, conjugation भी लिखना है. Okay, माही अच्छे से देखो अपने आंसर को and try to self correct. Deep, not the fifth one. Second पे है हम. Yeah, so I see Malay has given correct answer. Gurleen, Deep third नहीं, हम second कर रहे हैं. Please don't go ahead. Let's be together. We are on the second one. Okay. So the second one is J apostrophe AI, which is why I was asking you to write the subject pronoun as well. यहाँ पे J apostrophe में change होगा. This is very, very important. In case you have not done it, then you will deduct half mark. Half mark cut करोगे आप. Okay. Third one, you can put the answer in the chat box. Yes, very good. Man has answered. Very good, Soham, Varshita, Krisha, Daniel, very, very good. I see some of you have not put the accent. I think that is just because you do not know how to type the accent in the chat box. So no worries, I'm displaying the answer over here. Most of you have written this correctly. जिसने accent नहीं डाला है, book में भी they will cut half mark. All right. Fourth one in the chat box. Yes, I see. JB Nagar से Mahalakshmi has typed correctly. Ghatkopar से Man, Krisha, Daniel, again, Anaida, okay, Riddhi, Varshita. रिद्धि आप फर्स्ट वाला सेकंड वाला नहीं हम थर्ड वाला कर रहे हैं अभी. Okay, so most of you have typed the answer correctly. Madame Dubois a. Okay, how it is a? Let's see. Madame Dubois is equal to the subject pronoun L. है ना, फेमिनिन सिंगुलर, एक ही मैडम एक ही लेडी है, so it is she, L के साथ avoir conjugation is a, and that's how this one is correct. Madame Dubois a. Remember, in the answer you will not write LA. L is going to be the rough work. आपको L खाली दिमाग में रखना है कि ये conjugation L में आएगा, L लिखना नहीं है. Just like math में you have rough work, okay? वहाँ पे calculations आप rough में डालते हो, fair work में नहीं आता है वो. Similarly, this one should go in the rough work. You will not write it with the fair answer. Madame Dubois a. L you will keep it in your mind. Okay. Fifth one, I see answers have already come. Very good, very good. आप लोग super fast हो. So let me see who's answered first. Yeah, Riddhi from DN Nagar, and most of you have answered correctly. Veer, Malay, very good, very good. Pritika, Namra, Moksh, all of you have written the correct answer. Sara A, it's absolutely correct. Sara again is L. Okay, तो हम L लिखेंगे नहीं. L will be your rough work. It should go in your ब्रेन कि हमको L का कॉन्जुगेशन करना है, बट लिखने में नहीं आना चाहिए. फेयर वर्क में खाली EST लिखेंगे हम. Sixth one, let's see. Sixth one, absolutely correct. Sixth one, yes, I see Riddhi has written the answer first, then Varshita, Pritika, Daniel, Ananya, Man, very good. All of you have typed correctly. Veer, Suzanne, I repeat, हम ills रफ वर्क के लिए कर रहे हैं. ओके, मार्क एंड पॉल इज इल्स, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, बट हमको इल्स लिखना नहीं है, हम सिर्फ SONT लिखेंगे. आई रिपीट, डू नॉट राइट द सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस. ओके, यू विल राइट मार्क एंड पॉल ओनली. मार्क एंड पॉल को हम इल्स से सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं करेंगे. देन लेट्स गो अहेड. सेवेंथ वन, Ale, very good. Je vais, very good. Most of you have written correct answer. Here it is. And the last one, yes, Pritika, very good. Gurleen, Mahalakshmi, Anaida, very, very good. Myra and Kaira, which means L's. तो हम onth लिखेंगे. Now you can calculate and let me know your scores. Wow, Deep says 8 on 8. Very good, Deep. Krisha, bacha, it's not 7 on 7, 8 on 8. 8 sentences hai. Riya, very good. All of you have got 8. Wow, that's good to know. Very, very good. 7.5. Arya, I think फिर आप apostrophe भूल गए या तो accent भूल गए, right? So no worries. It is still good. Most of you got 6, 7, and 8. The score is really good. Keep it up. Well done. Let's go ahead. Okay, let me know in the chat box if you have any doubt. Those who got any of these sentences incorrect, if you need any explanation, if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask. No, no doubt. Okay, okay, all right. So let's go ahead. Now we are going to talk about the regular verbs. हमने एथ्रो, avoir and alle irregular verbs किया था last class. These three are the basic verbs which you learnt in grade 8. Now again, these regular verbs are very, very important. Okay. Veer is asking if we have to write the test in our book. Yes, Veer, आपने test book में ही लिखा था ना, और कहाँ लिखा आपने? Riya, okay, I will give you the speech access. If there is something you want to speak up, you can ask. Riya, I have given you the speech access. Do you want to ask anything, dear? Veer says he's written in rough book and not in. Okay, okay, no problem, Veer. Remember, you maintain one book. पूरा जितना भी फ्रेंच का नोट्स लिख रहे हो एक जगह लिखोगे आप, so that it's easier for you to refer later on. Okay? कोई भी एक बुक आप फ्रेंच के लिए रखो. It's okay. You don't need to have a new book. नया बुक लेने के लिए जरूरत नहीं है. You don't have to go down and buy a new book. जो भी कोई बुक है एक ही बुक मेंटेन करो. उसके लास्ट फ्यू पेजेस में खाली फ्रेंच लिखो. That way you can refer to that book anytime you want. फिर आपको ढूंढना नहीं पड़ेगा फ्रेंच कौन से बुक में लिखा था. Let's continue. Present tense ER ending verbs. Okay. Now we are going to talk about the regular ER ending verbs. How exactly do we conjugate the regular ER ending verbs? And firstly, why are they called as regular verbs? Let's see. Okay. Now, ये ER verbs क्यों बोलते हैं? Look at the example. Parler, अपना favorite verb. We have been doing this since last year. तो parler का ending देखो ER है ना? It is ending in ER. That's why they are called as ER verbs. Or do you want me to give? Do you want more examples? Or maybe let's try this. You give me examples in the chat box. Chat box में example डालो और ER verbs वाले. Very good. Arya has given the verb montre. Veer, alle is correct, but हम regular verbs discuss कर रहे हैं ना. So alle here doesn't fit. हमको regular ER ending वाले verbs चाहिए. Manger is correct, but again there is slight irregularity in it. So we cannot consider manger as well. Marche, absolutely correct. Marche is correct. MARCHER, marche is correct. Krisha has written donner. Donner is correct. Donner is to give. Arya has written montre. Montre is correct. Very good. Visite. Pritika has given the answer. Very good. So yes, you see, aimer, adore, deteste, all of these verbs. Nager is थोड़ा सा irregular है. You will understand this when we are discussing the semi-regular verbs. मतलब आधा रेगुलर होता है, आधा इरेगुलर होता है. So manger, nager, those verbs come under that category. अभी हम regular ER verbs discuss कर रहे हैं. So here, what we have to do is check the ending. Parler, PARLER. Chercher, yes, I'm getting more examples in the chat box. Habiter, trouver, chercher, regarder. Yes. So you are absolutely correct. जो verbs ER में end होते हैं, those are going to be your regular ER verbs. Again, I repeat, not always. Manger is an exception. Okay, partager is GER verb. Nager is a GER verb. So there are some irregulars also. You will understand them when we are doing them in detail. So let's go ahead with this verb parler. अभी इसको conjugate कैसे करना है? Let's see. Firstly, we have to drop the ER. PARLER. यहाँ पे ending ER है, उसको हम drop करेंगे. Okay. After we drop this ER, we are going to add the new ending. मतलब हम base रखेंगे. PARL is going to be a base. Please follow my cursor. अब PARLER में से ER drop किया तो बचा क्या? PARL. तो ये PARL हम सब जगह लिखेंगे subject pronoun के साथ. J PARL, Q PARL. Now to this base we have to add the endings E. ज के साथ ई, क्यू के साथ हम एंडिंग ES लगाएंगे, इल एल के साथ ई, नू के साथ ONS, वू के साथ EZ, इल जेल्स के साथ ENT. So your endings for ER verbs are E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. Okay, you have to remember these endings in this order only. ज के साथ ending E, Q के साथ ending ES, इल एल के साथ E, नू के साथ ONS, वू के साथ EZ, इल जेल के साथ ENT. This is very very important. Parv, I will tell you when you are supposed to write. Okay, अभी खाली you have to just pay attention. I repeat, for all ER ending verbs, regular ER ending verbs. Now let's understand why are they called as regular verbs. Okay, यहाँ पे सारे ER verbs यही pattern follow करेंगे. तो those who gave me the examples in the chat box, जिन्होंने शॉन्टेर बोला, okay, मार्शे बोला, एमे बोला, तो ये सारे verbs में हम same way में conjugate करेंगे. We will drop the last ER. After which we will retain the base. Base हम वैसे ही रखेंगे. ER drop करने के बाद जो बचता है वो हम वैसे ही लिखेंगे. And then we will add these endings according to the subject pronoun. E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. ये subject pronoun को अच्छे से देख के हम endings लगाएंगे. Alright? Then the same thing in the negative form. हमको negative तो आता है ना? Conjugation के पहले न and conjugation के बाद पा. So je parle in the negative becomes je ne parle pas. Similarly, interrogative est-ce que je parle, है ना? जैसे हमने avoir, être and aller का negative and interrogative किया, यहाँ पे हम same चीज follow करेंगे. Check the affirmative. Q parle, negative Q ne parle pas, interrogative parle hyphen Q. Il और elle parle, il और elle ne parle pas, parle-t-il, parle-t-elle. यहाँ पे हाइफन टी हाइफन आया. ओके, इफ यू रिमेम्बर हमने ये हाइफन टी हाइफन लास्ट टाइम अवुआर में देखा था एंड आले में देखा था. आतिल आतेल अवुआर, आले वातिल वातेल, एंड अभी हम ये ER एंडिंग वर्ब्स में भी देख रहे हैं. ओके, सो बेसिकली इन दिस 3 काइंड ऑफ वर्ब्स यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर वॉवल क्लैश हो रहा है तो hyphen T hyphen डालेंगे. Now this vowel clash is usually going to be in ill form only and in the interrogative form. Okay, interrogative का ill form में ही usually दिखेगा. ये कौन से verbs में? ER ending verbs में दिखेगा, avoir में दिखेगा, aller में दिखेगा. Okay, nous parlons becoming nous ne parlons pas in negative, parlons-nous in interrogative. Vous parlez, vous ne parlez pas, parler hyphen vous question mark. Il elle parle, il elle ne parle pas, parle-t-il, parle-t-elle. Okay, so here you have all the 3 forms of ER verbs. Now what you have to do is remember the conjugation. I repeat, ER verbs में हम क्या करें? Firstly कैसे पता चलेगा वो ER verb है? एंडिंग देखने का. ऑब्वियसली दे विल एंड इन ER. तो वो एंडिंग ER ड्रॉप करने के बाद बेस लिखने का वैसे का वैसा, एंड फिर उसको न्यू एंडिंग्स लगाने का EESE ONSEZENT. ओके, व्हाट आर द एंडिंग्स? EESE ONSEZENT. अगेन you can say it along with me. EESE ONSEZENT. ये एंडिंग्स हमको अच्छे से याद रखना है. ओके, now just have a look at this verb parley in the affirmative, negative and interrogative form. I will give one verb in the chat box. Okay. CHER, chercher. Chercher is a verb. I have put it in the chat box. Chercher is to search or to look for. Abhi chercher ko I want you to conjugate this in the new form. Quickly put the answers in the chat box. Chercher in the new form. Nous, N-O-U-S. You have to type it in the chat box. Yes. Very good, very good. Varshita, Mahi, Archana, वो फॉर्म है, नू फॉर्म बोला है, NOUS, नू. हमको पूरा कॉन्जुगेट नहीं करना है जोथ्यू इलेल, जस्ट द नू फॉर्म. So yes, very good, very good. I see the answers coming up. Absolutely correct. ईशा, नम्र, मलय आपने कॉन्जुगेट नहीं किया, वैसे ही छोड़ दिया वर्ब को. ER ड्रॉप करने के बाद नू फॉर्म का एंडिंग लगाने का. महालक्ष्मी फ्रॉम JB नगर ब्रांच, वेरी गुड. ओके, क्रिशा, नू फॉर्म में एंडिंग EZ आएगा क्या? चेक करो, यू हैव द सैंपल इन फ्रंट. पार्ले का देखो नू फॉर्म में एंडिंग क्या है एंड डू द करेक्शन. डैनियल, वेरी गुड. सुजैन, वेरी गुड. गीतेश, गुड. दिया, वेरी गुड. Okay, okay. So I see most of you have written the answers correctly. Yes. Now you will put the same verb in Q form. TU. Q. TU. Very very good. क्या फटाफट आंसर आ रहा है? कलर हो तुम लोग. Very very good. All of you have written correctly so far. Superb. Excellent. Awesome. Okay. Now I'm going to change the subject pronoun and the verb as well. Okay. Now the verb is AIMER. Aime. Aime in the je form. Okay. Wait. I'll put it in the chat box once again. AIMER. Wait. Stop typing because just hold on. Let me put the verb in the chat box first. Stop typing for a second. Yeah. Now you can go ahead and type. Also, those who are simply writing the conjugation, remember मुझे subject pronoun भी चाहिए. Why I am asking for subject pronoun? When you will type it, you will understand. Those who are writing j and m, remember vowels clash हो रहा है. सब लोग apostrophe भूल गए. J apostrophe AIME. J apostrophe AIME. Yes. Okay. Great. So it seems you all are now familiar with this, how to do. Are you ready for the test? If you have any doubt, let me know in the chat box. No doubt. Ria says no doubt. Okay. So again, be ready with a fresh page. Here are your questions. Simply write the answers. Do not write the full sentences. खाली answers लिखो अभी के लिए. Answers in the notebook, please. Okay, everyone. Yes, I see someone is writing very easy. Good to know you're finding it easy. Kaushiki is asking what are regular verbs. Regular verbs बच्चा वो होता है जो एक specific pattern लेता है. ओके जैसे जब हमने आउआर एथ्रो आलेर किया वहां पे कोई स्पेसिफिक पैटर्न नहीं था, हमको वो वर्ब्स मेमोराइज करना पड़ा था, बट यहाँ पे सारे ईआर वर्ब्स जो है वो एक स्पेसिफिक पैटर्न ले रहे हैं, मतलब सब सब में ईआर ड्रॉप करके हम एक एंडिंग लगा रहे हैं, जो के साथ ई, यू के साथ ई एस, है ना, एक स्पेसिफिक पैटर्न फॉलो कर रहा है ये, दैट इज व्हाई दे आर कॉल्ड एज रेगुलर वर्ब्स। आई होप आई एम क्लियर। If you still have any doubt, please let me know in the chat box. Kaushiki, I hope I have cleared your doubt. Yes, great. Answers should go in the notebook. Do not type anything in the chat box now, please. Answers in the notebook. Okay, Man says he's done. Waiting for others. Done, done. Okay, so many of you are saying done. So let's start. You can put the first answer in the chat box. Who के साथ एमेर. Very good, very good. Krisha, Anaida, Namra, very good. Okay, so I display the answer. Absolutely correct. Because it is who form, हमने क्या किया, I repeat, हमने er drop किया and ending ez लगाया क्योंकि subject who है. Next one, put the answer in the chat box. Very very good. Okay, यहाँ पे there is one small error that most of you have, no, two errors that I see most of you all have made. Firstly, Q apostrophe नहीं होता है. Okay, even if the vowels clash, we will have to let them clash. Secondly, आप एंडिंग में ई, आपने ई लगाया, एस भूल गए. क्यू फॉर्म का एंडिंग इज ई एस. प्लीज रिमेम्बर, क्यू फॉर्म का एंडिंग ई एस. ओके, हमको फिर से याद रखना होगा ई ई एस, ई ओ एन एस, ई जेड, ई एन टी, दीज आर द एंडिंग्स. ई ई एस है ना, क्यू फॉर्म वाला ई एस आ रहा है. यहाँ पे apostrophe नहीं लिखना है. Q H U D, even if the vowels clash, you will not put the apostrophe. Third one, yes, very good. I see answers coming up. It's absolutely correct. Parl and the ending ENT. Fourth one, Sara e tua. Very good. I see some of you have written absolutely correctly. So here, Sara and tua, anybody plus tua should always be in the who form. Anybody plus tua should always be in the who form. Okay, stop typing for a few seconds. Please do stop typing. And okay, students, please stop typing. Yeah, now you can write this in your notebook. Anyone plus tua is always equal to who. Okay, you will have to write this in the notebook in case you don't have. मैंने ये लिखवाया था last class, but in case you don't have, please write it in the notebook. जैसे anyone plus tua is always who, वैसे anyone plus mua is always nu, N-O-U-S. Okay, anyone plus tua is equal to who. Anyone plus mua is always equal to nu. Yes. So now, yeah, I can see the answers coming up. Fourth one is absolutely correct. Keeping that thing in mind, anyone plus tua is who. हमने दोनों को वो में conjugate किया. Similarly, मार के मुआ, anyone plus मुआ, मतलब कौन सा फॉर्म आना चाहिए? Yes, absolutely correct. It should be nu form, écoutant. And the last one, yes, absolutely correct, entre. Any doubts so far? Let me know in the chat box. If you have any different answer, if you feel मेरा correct है, ऐसा क्यों लिखा है, ऐसा क्यों नहीं, you can put it in the chat box. No doubt? Okay. Let me know your scores. Wow, 6. Ria says 6. Gitesh and Suzanne 4. Okay, no worries. If you want to ask, आपका कौन सा वाला wrong गया, क्यों wrong गया, you can ask. 5 on 6, 4 on 6, 6 on 6. Okay, so I see most of you have got 6, 5 and 4. Very, very good. Superb. Excellent, excellent. Okay. Anyone would like to ask? जिनको कोई wrong मिला, वो क्यों wrong मिला मैम मुझे? पूछना है किसी को कुछ? Any doubt? Yeah, okay. Palak says one doubt. Palak from Vile Parle. Okay, Palak, I'm going to give you the speech access here. Just hold on. Yes, Palak.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, dear. How are you?
Miss, I'm fine. How are you?
Good, 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 dear. Yeah, go
Miss,
ahead
I
with.
wanted to ask that the last sentence, Paul dash Dansley classe. Miss,
Hmm.
why it is enter?
Okay,
Which form it will come?
Paul. If I say Paul is a boy, तो आप कौन सा फॉर्म में लिखोगे? सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन Paul is equal to with सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन?
First person.
नहीं, फर्स्ट पर्सन हमेशा ज होता है पलक. ओके,
Okay.
सेकेंड फर्स्ट
Yeah.
पर्सन ज, मतलब फर्स्ट पर्सन इज ऑलवेज आई. अब
Hmm.
पॉल इज नॉट आई, है ना, मैं पॉल नहीं हूँ. सेकेंड पर्सन इज
Third
ऑलवेज.
person.
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. तो थर्ड पर्सन
Okay.
मतलब कौन सा वाला मुझे बताओ,
Mhm.
स्पेसिफाई करो कौन सा सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन आ रहा है.
Else. Ill else.
हाँ,
Ill
ओके.
else.
इल्स एल्स, इज इट प्लूरल? पलक, पॉल एक ही पॉल है कि बहुत सारे हैं?
नहीं, एक ही है. Ill el.
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. अभी इल
ठीक.
एंड एल में से हमको एक चूज करना है, तो यू थिंक एंड टेल. पॉल बॉय लग रहा है, गर्ल? पॉल क्या होता है यूजुअली? बॉय का नेम है, गर्ल का नेम है?
Boy.
हाँ, करेक्ट. सो यू नो योर आंसर नाउ. व्हाट इज इट?
Okay. Ill.
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. वेरी वेरी गुड
Okay,
पल्लव.
miss. Thank you, miss.
Most welcome. Anybody else, if you want to ask anything, please feel free to ask. Yeah, I see most of you answered in the chat box, and most of you cleared her doubt in the chat box. Very, very good. Good to know that you know the answers. All right. Shall we go ahead? Are the ER endings clear? No doubt. Okay. अभी आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्प्ले द IR endings. जैसे ER endings हमने किया, वैसे IR endings देखते हैं. Finir. Look at the verb finir. Okay. Ending is IR. इसलिए उसको IR ending verb बोलते हैं. Simple as that. हाउ डू वी कॉन्जुगेट दिस नाउ? यहाँ पे भी हम क्या करेंगे? IR को ड्रॉप करेंगे. ओके, क्या करेंगे? IR को ड्रॉप करेंगे. देन वी आर गोइंग टू एड द एंडिंग IS, IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. Okay, so I repeat, IR verbs के endings are IS, IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. Okay, the endings are IS, ISIT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. Okay, so you can note down the endings. Done? All right. We are going to stop in a minute. In case you have any doubt regarding the ER and the IR endings, please put in the chat box. No doubts? Okay. I will just ask one last question. Let me know who wants to answer. मैं बस ending पूछूंगी. Okay. So those who are very very clear with the endings, you can let me know in the chat box. किसको पूछूं मैं? एक ही question पूछना है. Soham says me. Okay. Soham, very good. Soham, I will hide the IR endings. Yeah. Now you can go ahead and tell me the IR endings quickly, Soham. Can you hear me, Soham? We are running short of time, dear. Okay, Ria, I'm going to give you the speech access. It seems he has some mic problem. Soham, you can put the answer in the chat box. Ria, I'm unmuting you, dear.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, Ria. Fatafat, IR endings.
IS,
Yes.
ISIT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT.
Very, very good. अभी होमवर्क नोट डाउन कर लो. I will put the two verbs in the chat box. वो आप conjugate करोगे next class के लिए. Okay. Ferme and remplir. These are the two verbs that you will conjugate in affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Okay. Ferme is ER verb. Remplir is IR verb. Ferme is to close. Remplir is to fill. FILL. All right. We'll stop here. Nishant sir, over to you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, we are done with the lecture. So we'll end the lecture over here. See you in the next lecture, everyone. Take care. Bye. Be safe. Everyone. Bye.